Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. This episode is about Puglia. I spent the last week with my family in Italy, and we've been eating at some pretty amazing places. Most of them were slow food, or in the slow food guide. Slow food is this movement about kind of using your local produce and regional recipes and so on and so forth. And there's some pretty good restaurants. Quite simple cooking, but very, very, very good, very tasty. And what I wanted to do was to kind of give you a taste of each of these restaurants with some pictures and some music. I will leave the links to all of them down in the description. I will also leave you a link to the slow food guide, which is the kind of restaurant guide that we found these restaurants in. And that would be pretty much this video. Support this channel as always by clicking subscribe down there. You see it up here, but you have to click down there. And if you want to be updated about new content, please also click the bell icon. And I think we can start with the first one. So the first one we'll see is in a little village called Locorotondo, and the restaurant is called Gianfrate Carni, Pregiate, and it's run by Gianni. And it's a butcher during the day that turns into a restaurant in the evening, where you can, obviously it's a butcher, so the specialty is meat, but he has some quite special meat, and we'll see that in the movie. But it's a great place, I can recommend it highly. Small village, beautiful village, and amazing food. Have a look. Having the butcher prepare the meat at the table, that must be the ideal way of serving it. The next restaurant on the list is a place called Il Guazzetto. I hope I pronounce it right. Well, you'll find a link down in the description. It's in a small village on the coast called Monopoly. You'll probably all know it from the board game. But it's a very small, nice harbor town. Beautiful harbor. Well, parts of it is beautiful. And an old fort. And this restaurant is typical fish restaurant, serving the local fish, cooked in a simple way, grilled mostly, or deep fat fried. But yeah, it's definitely worth a visit if you like seafood. It's not in the slow food guide, but it's very good food. Enjoy it. Now to our favorite of the week, a restaurant called Il Cortiletto in a very small place. I'm calling it small place because it's smaller than a town called Speziale, but it's close to a town called Fasano. It was our favorite because yes, the food was amazing, but also the atmosphere was good. A lot of local people eating there, some tourists, but also a lot of locals. Their specialty was again grilled meat. We had a beautiful grilled chicken, a very nice grilled ribeye. There was a big ribeye on the bone. I said it was like 900 grams. The antipasti was just new to me. I've never had antipasti like that. All of the antipasti, the starters, like the small starters, I'd never seen before. But they were all very good. All local specialities made with local things. So this one is in the Slow Food Guide. And as always, I'll leave a link down in the description. But well worth a visit. You should go there if you're in Puglia. The next restaurant you'll see is called La Taverna del Duca, and it's also in Locorotondo. It's in the Slow Food Guide, even with a snail, which for slow food is kind of their special thing for the most atmosphere and the best food. It wasn't our top pick out of this top 5. That was the previous one, but it was very good. Very nice staff. Food was very good. Although I thought some of it could have used some more salt, but I had trippa, which is tripe from lamb. It was amazing. It was so nice, so delicate. A great place to go, and you shouldn't miss it. It wasn't a top pick, but it's for sure top 5.
Love is love. Love is love. Yo.
This menu is the perfect children's toy. It's a 2-in-1.
So this is the last restaurant of the episode, and it is my favorite. It's in Brindisi in the harbor. This is the restaurant here. I'll put a link in the description as well. It's a slow food restaurant specialized in fish and seafood, and we had a fantastic lunch.
These little anchovies here were just divine. It was made with star anise and onions. Beautiful.
And now we're off to the airport. That was it for this Italy trip, but hopefully there will be many more to come. Also in this area. It was the first time I was here. It's worth coming back, also food wise. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye bye.